bar two, which I can't tell you. The others are Ukraine, Australia, Azerbaijan, and there are two regional countries that we're building. And besides that, as I said, we're also we've been awarded by EMA a fit out of their hospitality tower, which is a tower that they'll be using during the Expo months for their functions and so on, and entertaining guests and etc. So we're busy with that. We're just starting that off, and we're looking at a few other packages with Expo and with some countries as well. Yeah, very much. I mean, it's a big focus, and we're fortunate we have within the group a sister company called Analytica, which has been assisting us on developing certain systems and software, from monitoring systems on creating dashboards and how we collate information and so on, to our production facility, which we have a joinery factory where we're currently setting up a pilot program with Analytica, with the assistance of Analytica, on barcoding our production and digitizing our production process, which will assist us in understanding where we are in our production phase of every item, how the use of our manpower is best utilized, our materials, etc. So at the end of the day, we're trying to cut out as much of the uncertainty as possible that the sites have on where their materials are, when things are arriving, have they been delivered or not. So we are working heavily on getting that information and that data centralized, so that the project manager on site, which has to deliver at the end of the day, and he's the only one that's delivering work that we can claim for and we earn money for, he needs to have that information as easily as possible so he can plan his daily activities. So that when an item leaves the factory door, I keep comparing it the same way to an IKEA product, where when it gets to site, the project manager has everything there and the construction manager has everything there at his hands to assemble, from the information to the assembly tools to accessories and so on, rather than be revisiting the same item twice. So we're trying to compact as much as possible that process, whereby traditionally the door frame and door would leave, but the hinges would go in a separate delivery, the hardware would go as a separate delivery. Yeah, I just finished a message actually yesterday to the team, to the full team, just to remind ourselves of what we've gone through in the last 12 months, to be honest, which, as I say, has been a very positive transformation. Our objective, our strategy is clear in terms of, or we set our strategy last year in terms of which clients we wanted to work with, whether they be main contractors or developers, that we wanted to get involved on the Expo. And that's was our strategy set at the beginning of last year. And ultimately that we want to be in the top 3 fit-out contractors in the UAE.